Hey guys, my name is Maria Andersen, and as you know, this channel is all about crypto. So if you love everything about crypto news, reviews, interviews, and sometimes even crypto hardware wallets unboxing, please subscribe and support my growing community. And today guys, we're gonna be unboxing this amazing cryptocurrency wallet, and this is actually a very special wallet. I'm sure you haven't seen anything like this before. And yeah, the name of this wallet, as you can see here guys, is Ballet. So this wallet will be perfect for you if you're just a beginner in crypto, or if you're just a hodler as me. By the way guys, look at my t-shirt. It says just hodl it. By the way guys, I love my subscribers, and that's why I'm gonna give away 2 Ballet wallets. And guys, please watch this video till the end and you will know how you can win this wallet or this wallet. So yeah, let's unbox it and I will show you how it actually works. We don't need this anymore, do you see it? Yep. Sorry for the sound. Okay, the box looks very nice, and yeah, look at this guys. We have this special thing to open it. Okay, are you ready guys? Wow, look at this. Oh, so this is a special plastic thing for your wallet. Okay, we'll see how it works a little later. And guys, I'm telling you, you have never seen anything like this before. Look at this beauty. Wow, just look at this guys, just look at this beauty. Wow, this is amazing, isn't it? And this wallet is covered with 24 karat gold. Can you guys imagine? Wow. So guys, you can ask me how this wallet actually works, and you don't need to use it. You can just keep it as a piece of art. No, I'm just kidding, of course. And let's go to their website and learn everything about it. Here we are, and yeah guys, as you see, more than $400 million plus crypto assets secured by Ballet products. Nice. By the way, as you've already noticed, I have this one, gold edition, and yeah, they do have different products here, like different customized products, even holiday customized products. That's nice, isn't it? And yeah, you can choose any you like. Yeah, but let's see, what is Ballet? The company was founded in 2019 and is based in Las Vegas, Nevada. Ballet's flagship product is the Real Series cryptocurrency wallet, the world's first multi-currency, non-electronic cryptocurrency wallet. The Ballet Real Series wallet is a physical cryptocurrency wallet that gives you full and exclusive control of your digital assets. A two-factor cryptographic private key is securely concealed on the physical wallet itself, which allows the wallet to function as a bearer asset like cash or gold. And here guys, in my case, it's definitely gold, isn't it? So the prominent feature on the front side is a QR code of the wallet's cryptocurrency deposit address. This allows you to immediately deposit funds to the wallet without needing to set up or configure anything. And yeah, as you see on this picture, one more time guys, this is your deposit address. You can send your Bitcoin directly to your wallet just using this QR code. And also you can remove this layer from your card and keep this layer somewhere where you need it. And then here you will find your encrypted private key and your wallet passphrase. So yeah, let's learn more about it. And here actually we have a step-by-step guide, and yeah guys, I want to show it to you. So before you deposit cryptocurrency to a new Ballet product, verify that the number 1 QR code sticker, this one, and the number 2 wallet passphrase scratch off, this one, number 2, are fully intact and not tampered with. And of course guys, if they appear to be fully or partially exposed or tampered with, do not use this wallet. If you have any questions, please contact the support. But I'm sure you will not have any questions, of course, or any problems if you will buy this wallet only from the official website. I will leave a link for you in the description of this video. Also guys, you can verify and confirm that the 3 serial number, this one serial number is here, the same will be here, and this same will be here. So you can verify and confirm that serial number on the product matches the 2 other serial numbers printed on the QR code sticker. Yeah, right away here, and right away here. Okay guys, I hope that's clear. Let's go to step 2. Then you can download the Ballet crypto app, and yeah, that's pretty simple also. You can go and download it right away from here, from the main website. Or also guys, you can use this QR code right away on your box. By the way, as you see here guys, this wallet supports not only Bitcoin, it supports a lot of different cryptocurrencies, and you can learn more about it on their main website. And then it will be step 3. Use the Ballet Crypto app to scan the QR code on your physical product. So just scan your card with this app and that's it. And you will see your Bitcoin wallet address right away here in your app also. And you can use it if you wanna just to deposit your crypto. But guys, you can ask me, what should I do if I wanna send my crypto from this Ballet wallet? And yeah, let me show you. The answer is here. Let's click step 4. And here guys, you can learn a lot of useful information about this wallet. For example, you can learn how to activate multiple currency accounts using Ballet Crypto Wallet. Also how to deposit your crypto if you still have questions. And also guys, how to send your crypto. Let's check it out. And guys, we have this 60-second video, so let's watch it together. So the first step, choose the currency you want to send, then scan or input the public address you want to send to, then input the amount you want to send. The app automatically recommends the most cost-effective fee. Nice. Enter a private note to label this transaction if you want to, and then guys, scratch off this scratch off strip to reveal the wallet passphrase. Then type it into the app. Okay, and yeah, let me actually show you guys using my wallet. So yeah, it's right away here. So you will have to scratch off it and type this passphrase into your app on your mobile phone. Okay, let's see what next. Yeah, like this. Okay. Peel off the top QR code sticker with your public address to reveal the encrypted private key below, yellow background, then scan it. It's right away here under your public address, under this sticker, so you will have to just do like this and yeah, just scan it with your mobile phone and yeah, just click send. That's it. That's how easy it is. As you see guys, you can review each account to see transaction history and details. Okay, right away as it's shown here. And guys, of course, you might have a lot of questions. How is it even possible to keep your private key right away here on this card? So let me show you something. So Ballet never has the private key. Ballet's manufacturing process has been carefully designed so that neither the company nor any employee is able to access the private key on a Ballet product. A private key is what allows the funds stored on a product to be spent. Actual private key can only be generated by the end customer who has physical possession of the product by using 2 private key components on the product itself. It is important to point out that during the whole manufacturing process, the actual private key has never been created or generated. The end customer will become the first person to generate the actual private keys once he or she decodes the private key via BIP38 protocol. Two-factor private keys means that the private key is actually made from 2 separate components. The BIP38 two-factor private key can only be generated when 2 separate private key components, wallet passphrase and encrypted private key, are combined through an open-source industry standard called BIP38. And if you guys are worrying if someone saw your keys while the production process, so don't worry. Two-factor key generation means the production of 2 private key components, wallet passphrase and encrypted private key, is done by different people in 2 different geographic locations. This means that no employees at Ballet can ever have access to both private key components. This patent-pending solution gives you the highest level of confidence in the cryptographic elements of Ballet products. And guys, you can definitely learn more about it. Go check out their main website. And of course, the quality of this product is actually very high, very cool. I'm really happy with it. It's made of steel. Yeah, cool, awesome. And of course, guys, as I promised you, you can win one of these amazing wallets, and I really recommend you go follow me on Twitter, and there I will make a post and I will tell you what you should do to participate, because I'm gonna give away 2 Ballet wallets. Don't miss your chance, guys, and have a good day. Take care, stay safe. Bye!